Hello and welcome. Our topic today is who, whom, and which. These three words confuse students a lot. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know the clear difference between them and how to use them correctly in sentences, okay? We use who for people in a sentence. Who is used only for people as subjects in a sentence. I hope you know what subject in a sentence means. Subject is the performer of action in a sentence. So when you have a person in the sentence performing an action, use who. So subject is the performer of action in a sentence. We use whom for people also. People functioning as object in the sentence. So when you have a person in the sentence receiving action, then whom is the correct word to use. So who performs action while whom receives action. Also, who replaces the pronoun he, she, and they in a sentence. Whom replaces the pronoun him, her, and them in a sentence. Okay, when do we use which? We use which only when we are referring to things and animals. So which is not used for human, it is used only for things and animals, while whom and who are used for humans. Okay, if you don't still understand, don't worry. As we answer these questions, you will get more clarifications, okay? 1. The teacher blank explained the lesson is very patient. What should be the correct answer? Who, whom, or which? Now, what you ask yourself is, what is the action in the sentence? The action is explained. So, who performed the action in the sentence? Who did the explanation? Teacher. So, that means teacher is the performer of action in this sentence. Therefore, teacher is subject. Who is the correct answer? The teacher who explained the lesson is very patient. 2. The student blank the principal punished was absent yesterday. What is the action in this sentence? Punished. Who performed the action? The principal. Who received the action? The student. The student is the focus here, so since it is the receiver of the action, then whom should be the correct word to use. The student whom the principal punished was absent yesterday. Now, remember, to choose any of these words, you must consider the noun that comes before it, okay? That's why we considered student instead of principal, all right? 3. This is the laptop blank I bought last week. The word to consider here is laptop, okay? Laptop is not human, it is a thing. So the correct word to use is which. This is the laptop which I bought last week. 4. The woman to blank you were speaking is my aunt. What is the noun to be considered here? The woman. And what is the action in the sentence? Speaking. So who did the speaking? You. And who received the action? The woman. Remember, this is our focus. So the woman is receiver of action in this sentence. So when you are talking about receiver of action, use whom. The woman to whom you were speaking is my aunt. 5. The movie blank won the award was very emotional. This is our focus here. Movie is not human, it is a thing. So, which is the correct word to use? The movie which won the award was very emotional. 6. The man blank called you is waiting outside. The man is the focus here. So is the man performing any action or he is receiving? The main action here is called. This is the first action. So who did the calling? The man. Who received the call? You. So the man is performing action here. The man is the performer. He did the calling. So the correct word to use is who. The man who called you is waiting outside. 7. She is the girl blank I admire the most. What is our keyword here? The girl. So is the girl performing any action or receiving? The action in this sentence is admire. Now ask yourself, who admired? I. And who did I admire? The girl. So the girl is the receiver of action in the sentence. That means it is the object. Okay? The correct word to use is whom, because it is the object in the sentence. She is the girl whom I admire the most. 8. The house blank was painted blue belongs to my uncle. The key word here is house. Remember, we consider the noun that comes before the word. So house is the key word. House is a thing, not a human. So the correct word to use is which. The house which was painted blue belongs to my uncle. 9. The candidates blank they selected was very confident. The key word here is candidate. It is human, right? Now, what is the action in the sentence? Selected. Who did the selection? They. And who was selected? Candidate. So candidate is not performing action, rather it is receiving. So candidate is receiver of action. That means it is the object in the sentence. So the correct word to use is whom for object or receiver. Whom. The candidate whom they selected was very confident. 10. The boy with blank I shared the book is my cousin. The key word is the boy. Now, whenever you have human and with in the sentence, it must go with whom, not who. Okay? Now, the action in the sentence is shared. Who shared the book? I. Who received the book? The boy. So, the boy is receiver in the sentence. That means it is the object. Whom is the correct word. The boy with whom I shared the book is my cousin. 11. The dress blank she wore to the party was beautiful. The key word is dress, and dress is not a human, it is a thing. So the correct word to use is which. The dress which she wore to the party was beautiful. 12. The player blank scored the goal was celebrated. The key word is the player. What is the action in the sentence? Scored. This is the main action. The first action is to be considered. Who did the scoring? The player. So the player performed the action in the sentence. So it is the performer of action in the sentence. That means who is the correct word. Who is for performer of action. The player who scored the goal was celebrated. 13. The manager blank we met yesterday was very friendly. The key word is manager. And what is the action in the sentence? Met. The main action, met. Who performed the action? We. And who did we meet? Manager. So manager did not perform action. He is the one that received action. So he is the receiver of action. That means the correct word to use is whom. The manager whom we met yesterday was very friendly. 14. The friend blank you trust betrayed you. Here is the key word friend. And what is the action in the sentence? Trust, the first action. Now, who trusted? You. And who was trusted? Friend. So friend is not performing action. Friend is receiving action. So it is the object in the sentence. Whom is the correct word. The friend whom you trust betrayed you. 15. The phone blank was stolen has been recovered. What is the key word here? Phone. Phone is not human, it is a thing. So you don't need to think twice. When it is not human, which is the correct word to use? Make your own sentence in the comment section using who, whom, and which. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next lesson.